What's up, you guys? Brandon Cobles in here, back at it again. I got done with Mass Effect 3 last night. I don't know where to start. I will say though, this game, Mass Effect 3 for the Legendary Collection, that game was the most emotional game I ever seen. This was the second best emotional game I ever witnessed. Now, if you guys know what was my first emotional game, it was the Walking Dead Telltale series. From like season 1 to season 4. But enough of me talking about that. This game though, it does take place after Mass Effect 2. When you start the game, it's somewhat like a backstory, same as Mass Effect 2, but this time it only takes the backstory to Mass Effect 1. But now this one, you take the backstory to Mass Effect 1 and Mass Effect 2. This game is not as big of a squad as it was in Mass Effect 2, because Mass Effect 2 had like a lot of squad members. But this one, I believe, cut it in half. Because, I mean, it was a lot of squad, but gives you more firepower. As usual, you still have the same characters from Mass Effect 1 and the new characters from Mass Effect 2. But some of the characters might not be in the backstory the way you choose it, because the ending of Mass Effect 2 has a lot of endings. But this one, Mass Effect 3, has so many endings I can't even describe. But I will say it was one of the best Mass Effect I ever seen. But the controls are different. You can actually run for as long as you want. There's no stamina bar where it limits your run. It's just endless run. There are new weapons too, including the DLC. I just really don't know what to say. It was the most emotional game I ever seen. You guys have to play this game. But I say, to get to Mass Effect 3, you have to start from the beginning, which from Mass Effect 1. If some of you guys don't want to do Mass Effect 1, then move on to Mass Effect 2, that's fine. If you know the story from Mass Effect 1 and 2. If you don't want to play Mass Effect 2, just play Mass Effect 3 if you already know the story inside out. But it still has the same choice where you can choose out of male or female, customize your characters, all that. Customize your characters, it doesn't matter as long it just has the same voice as male or female. The voice change does not matter. There are a lot of DLCs, I will say that. There's the side missions, it wasn't as much from Mass Effect 2. Mass Effect 3 does not have that much side missions. It just has main missions and some side missions. And the Legendary Collection, for that, you can get DLCs without any purchase. Bless me. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh yeah. The Legendary Collection helps you get the DLCs without any purchase as soon as you buy the Legendary Collection game. Now, if you want to play the game from Mass Effect 1, Mass Effect 2, and Mass Effect 3, just the original games before the Legendary Collection, you would have to buy the DLCs for each one of those games. But the Legendary Collection, I recommend you guys purchasing that than the old games, because it helps with the DLCs and all that. True, you do have to pay $60 for it, but it's better than just, buying this game and then buying the DLC separately. It just buy it all together. Just buy Mass Effect 1, Mass Effect 2, and Mass Effect 3 all together. I'm glad they remastered all of this, because I saw my brother first time playing Mass Effect 3. I had no idea what it was back then. But now I played all the Mass Effect games. I know there was a recent Mass Effect game that came out, I think, in 2017. Some people saying it's good. A lot of people saying it's not as good. I don't know if I should play it, but I'm just gonna take a break from Mass Effect and move on to Zelda, just to let my brain process on all the stories from Mass Effect, because it was a lot. It was a lot from Mass Effect 1, 2, and 3. 3 is what got me very emotional. It was the most emotional game I ever seen, but it's really, really worth playing. I don't have any other words to describe how best Mass Effect 3 was. I honestly think Mass Effect 3 is better than Mass Effect 2. I know what you guys are saying, but Mass Effect 2 is better. Why just do 3 better? It's because, because I just like the story, I like the weapons, the ending, there are multiple endings, but I will say it was the best game I ever seen in Mass Effect. But I would have to give it a 10 out of 10. Best Mass Effect game I ever seen. Like, it was a masterpiece. The whole story is great. The weapons are great. The suit armor is great. Squads are great. All that. I forgot to mention though. Some of the armor that you saw in Mass Effect 2, you would have to purchase it on Mass Effect 3. Don't worry, you don't have to use any cash or card or anything. It's just money game, that's all. But you would have to purchase that. For like some armors you saw in Mass Effect 2, you would have to purchase it. It's not like automatically download. But some armor, they help you with health boost, they help you with shield boost, damage, shield damage, weapons damage, melee damage, all that. But I will say you have a new weapon on your left. No, right arm. Sorry. It is a new hologram blade. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a blade that goes around your wrist here. I honestly think that was really cool. They put that in. As usual, you still have the original armor. You have the helmet, chest plates, leg plates, arm plates, all that. Also, I am starting on Zelda Skyward Sword. I just started it this morning. Now, I will say though, if some of you guys are complaining about the graphics, it's because this was a very, very old game in Zelda. Because this came out during the Wii. Not the Wii U, just Wii. Where you have a stick in one hand and you have to like move it across all that, like left, right, up, down, all that. Um, that's why the graphics are like that. It's kind of like Super Mario Galaxy almost, but it's so far the story is really good. I'm at the beginning. I haven't got much done. But it was so far it's really good. Um, but that's gonna be it for today, guys. I will continue on Skyward Sword. I will let you guys know how it is. Make sure you leave a like on this video, click that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I uploaded, or any more unboxing, gaming videos, reviewing videos, all of that, and even Marvel videos. I will be showing you guys all of that for any videos I uploaded. But that's gonna be it. I will continue on Skyward Sword. I will see y'all in the next video, hopefully talking about Skyward Sword. If not, I'll talk about something else. Bye-bye.